Oh my god, and then I saw a cow with 3 udders. It was insane. Sup everyone, Dustin.
Gabriella.
We are the creative team at Luxio Vacations, and we are going to make some Pico de Gallo because we got hungry, so let's go to Fresh Market and get ingredients.
Low-key trip.
Make like 4 of these? We're not trying to make a giant bowl of everything.
Okay, well that would be better. So yeah, do 6.
We go with 5.
Luckily, there's literally no one in this store. It feels like a ghost town in here, but...
Here we go, here's the shallots.
Shallots.
You only need a small one. You're not supposed to be filming anything. Alright.
Okay. I was just so thrown off by that man's vibe. I'm so triggered. He said it so rudely. I was like, okay. Yo, that looks so nasty.
Yeah, just a better jalapeno. Talking to Mother Nature, she's killing us. Yeah, Mother Nature's all the swamp are getting flooded out on us.
That was so fun, right? That was a great trip. It was so fun.
I think the best part was getting yelled at by the manager. Okay, so this is like casual pico. We're gonna just start by chopping some tomatoes. We've got, well, let me go over the ingredients first. We have Roma tomatoes. You've got limes. You've got a shallot. Optional, you don't need a shallot, but I'm like a Gordon Ramsay fan, so I threw it in there. Jalapeño and a red onion, and of course some salt and pepper to taste. What would you like to cut?
Okay, yeah, I don't know how to use a knife. Like, I don't know how to use a knife at all.
And I do.
Yeah, and I feel like I'm gonna get yelled at, but...
Yeah, so I'll give you this knife.
Yeah, give me trainee knife.
Trainee knife and the non-beginner knife. So, okay, we're gonna hold it like this, put it in your hand like such. You're gonna like grip the blade. You're not, you know, we aren't looking for this. I'm going to top and tail this first to make sure that...
I'm gonna do it. I'm like gonna
do the
same thing
do
that
it with
you're
me.
doing.
So
Yeah.
okay, so
Okay, like this.
you look good there. Yeah, the middle finger for more direction.
Okay.
Yeah, top and tail.
They're
So
cool
that's
then.
taking the top and the tail. Beautiful-ish. Careful. Beautiful. We got a real champ here. There's like a bunch of ways to cut this thing, but I'm just gonna show you the easiest way. Let's do little like $half. So just kind of slice through it. If you like more of a
I watched some
more of like a
YouTube
rocking.
tutorials before we did this, and this is the technique that they went for. So, okay, mine like are already crooked.
Yeah, well, you would just have to kind of put a little bit more heart in there.
To be better.
Just be better. So then this same thing, middle finger. You want to make sure you don't lose your little fingies.
Okay, so you do them one at a time, because like I'm a savage.
I'm just showing you. I'm showing you one
I like
at a time.
stack them all.
Yeah, no, you can stack them. I just wanted to get the so you saw the
I want
basic.
to go like straight for the advanced.
Go straight for the advance. I'm going for the aesthetics. Show you that I'm basically like Gordon Ramsay and Jamie Oliver's like nephew or something.
Show us that you're delusional. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that was like not that bad.
Can we get a close up on her chop job? This is actually looking pretty good. I mean, she might have a career.
I might be a natural. Okay, wait, don't look at that one.
These are looking
This
really
one's
good.
not
I'm
quite
actually
that
going to
good.
get a bowl. Oh shoot, yeah. Cut this in. Cilantro is also part of the ingredients. I'm gonna let you continue with the tomatoes because they're slightly easier. They're like beginner. I'm going to work on the red onion. Keep the root on. Slice through the root. Put that one off to the side. We'll get back to him. Actually, we might not use both. I gotta see how much this yields. Rainbow. Cut into the rainbow a little bit, not to the root. And then we want to make little slits this way. Really? You want them like pulverized?
Yeah.
I think that is gonna do for our onion, just because we're gonna add some shallots in there. Shallots. Few shallots. It's not just a red onion. This is a shallot. I know it looks like a red onion, but it is a shallot.
More pretentious than
you
that.
can
Wait,
like,
taste
shape.
it. Like, see if you can tell the difference.
I can. Yeah, it's like a red onion. It's not just a red onion. Real quick, can I get a close up of the pico so far as it is? Looks pretty good. I did. I watched them like 3 times. Jalapeno, I guess I'll tackle this one because you're still on that. And take the top off. Toss the top.
I'm so glad I don't have such a...
Slice that bad boy down. I want to get rid of some of these here seeds.
You're about to be squeezed, so get prepared. You told me to prepare them.
Oh my god. Throw it in there. Let's get some color in this thing. So now we're gonna like...
Now we need to get a drone shot of this.
Yeah, let's get a drone shot of the salsa.
We should put it in the middle of the parking lot and like the drone just goes
No, we're
It
gonna...
blows it like starts blowing.
Yeah.
We are going to get everyone in the office's opinion because everyone loves Pico. So, come by my fresh market.
It's good, right?
Yeah. This is Patricia. Y'all know her. Well, most of you do. This is Bert. Okay, so this is just a basic mild Pico.
Oh my gosh. It does.
There's a secret ingredient in there, but I doubt anybody's gonna guess what it is because I didn't even taste the difference. He didn't get the footnotes. Well, there's like nothing on there. Terrible.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, let us know down in the comments below and leave us a like and subscribe.
Yeah, definitely subscribe
Definitely subscribe
because
and make Pico and let us know if you like it.